Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast from Webtech Zone. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how we can create the menu restaurant menu design. No design skill needed. Okay, so let's start with the video, and at the end if you like this video hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So first you need to search the menu design templates. So just click on this templates options and search for restaurant menu. Click it. Now you can see the all restaurant menu templates here. So take whatever you want. So just take this one. Okay, I just take this one. Just click and go to the customize these templates. Okay, and if you want to create your own templates, then you can just select the any templates. Now delete all like this. Okay, just change the background also, and you can start your new templates here, or you can simply start with the existing templates. Now here you can just double click on it, that header, and change your restaurant name. This is your tagline, whatever you want to change. This is your menu. Okay, you can zoom it to proper edit. Okay, here you can change the image. Okay, just delete the image, come to the upload. You can upload image, your restaurant menu uploads, image upload here. Just go to the upload, select your menu whatever you have, and upload it. It will be upload, it will be show here after upload. Now select that image and just drag and drop here. Okay, or you can simply search for image here like veg thali. So you can see veg thali has been come. Now just delete the existing image, click on it and drag here. It will be insert here. Same as you have to do, you can do the any rest of image. Okay, I just zoom out little bit. Here you can change main course and the items under the main course. Okay, this is pricing. You have to just double click of any elements and edit it. Okay, you can upload your logo, same from here, just upload it. If okay, this is, I just upload something here. This is Facebook logo. Okay, I have uploaded it. Just click on it, it will be insert here. Now you can place this at the top. You can also remove the background. If you have background on that logo, you can remove it from here. Okay, you can change background color. You can also change this color like menu color, whatever you want you can take it. Okay, or you can use that color picker. Okay, so this is your color, pick it color. Sorry, copy that color and select your another image or background color. Go here, first you have to go here and paste it, and this color will be changed, same as you can do to another. Okay, so it will be change your elements color or background colors as same as your logo color. Okay, so you can do it. You can change, this is a background image. Okay, you can delete it, or you can make it as a color. You can change the with color, or you can insert the any image or background image. Go to the elements, check for background image. Backgrounds. Okay, there is a lots of background image. This is background color we need to image. Okay, or background retro image. Okay, so here we have every, okay, lots of image here. You can also upload image. After upload, just click it, right click on it, make the replace the background will be replaced. Okay, so that is how you can change the whole thing whatever you want. You can also change numbers and all. If you want to add more page, you can just click on this add more page now here, or you can simply just select that page, copy style, or make the duplicate page, then duplicate page will be insert. Okay, so now we have two page, this was third page. Okay, so now we have two page. So here you can change the name of your menus. You can change image. Okay, after done, just click on the share, go to the download, and you have to download as a PDF. Okay, because the menu list should be downloaded in PDF format, because it will be look very clear. Okay, and now it is download. Let it download. Now go to the download, just open it. Now you can see this is a PDF menu. Okay, so that is how you can create the restaurant menu list in Canva. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.